my name is Christina Renee and I'm owner of brownhair.com. As of the 23rd of this month, we officially launched our website. So I'm coming on here to show you the things that we have to offer. I want to preface this video by stating we have 20% off everything as well as free shipping. And we're introducing Klarna, so that way you can slay now and pay later. Brown Hair offers 100% virgin textured extensions for all hair types. We aim to provide natural looking versatile styles to not only protect your hair, but also your pockets in between hair appointments. As we aim to offer the best, we only have HD lace wigs. These wigs come with and without baby hairs in options of kinky straights, natural curls, and kinky froze. My favorite by far is the kinky straight because once it's blown out, it looks exactly like your real hair. If you're tired of pre-soaking your synthetic braiding hair, then you may want to invest in human braiding hair. It's versatile and natural looking and can be washed and bleached. We also have textured tape-ins. That's 40 pieces a bundle. We offer clip-ins in all textures. This is what the kinky straight looks like blown out and curled. As you can see, it looks exactly like my real hair. This is our V-part wigs in Kiki curl, and this is teenage friendly. Instead of spending about $1,000 at the salon, our V-part and U-part options are available. This is our natural wave bundles. This sewing is very versatile. These are the same exact bundles curled, and once washed, goes right back to the curl pattern. This is a custom HD lace, 13 by 6, and pre-plucked. And lastly, we have headband wigs in all textures. As you can see, we have an arsenal full of the perfect protective styles to protect our natural curls. These extensions are not only vacation friendly, but they'll definitely get you through those weeks of not seeing your favorite stylist. Our extensions are wash, bleach, and heat friendly, so you can do as you please. So shop with us. As we are a growing business, we ask that you please like, comment to boost us in the algorithm, share this with as many people as possible. Follow us and drop some suggestions below on things that you would like to see in your extension so we can expand.